Has that phone got a clock on the screen?
Yeah. I dropped it up down a mountain. Not the cleverest of things, I
This is so funny. Tell me when it's my turn. Matt! You just ruined it.
I'm doing wonderful. Oh, jinxed it. It's you now.
Oh, Matt, was that
Nice look.
Oh no, no.
Go, Hannah.
Okay.
Go.
Oh. See, I'm missing it straight away. Oh yeah, perfect.
At least you know this music.
You don't count me. Perfect again. You don't actually know because you can't see.
Hannah, we're gonna know how to fix your whole thing.
What thing?
Gotta put this on Bevo, Hannah. Yeah.
You go.
Can we just go and check our team?
No, I'm doing this. Ow!
Right, can we go and check the team?
I don't know what it looks like.
Just go check it's not burning.
Player 2, performance complete.
That was rubbish.
Player 1,
Lucy!
Woo!